Welcome to YouTube channel. Good morning students. Myself P. Tirupati, lecturer in mathematics, SRR, Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Today our topic solutions of equations in one variable. In this lesson, first method, bisection method. First point, let f of x equals to 0 and for the values a and b let f of a into f of b less than 0. Then the root lies in the between a and b. If f of a less than 0, comma f of b greater than 0, then the first approximation x1 or p1 lies between a1 and b1. Therefore x1 or p1 is equal to a1 plus b1 by 2. If f of p1 is equal to 0, then p1 is the required solution of roots. If f of p1 not equals to 0, then f of p1 less than 0 and f of p1 greater than 0. Case 1, if f of p1 less than 0, then the second approximation p2 lies between p1 and b1. Let a2 is equal to p1, b2 is equal to b2. Now p2 is equal to a2 plus b2 by 2. Case 2, if f of p1 greater than 0, then the second approximation p2 lies between a1 and p1. Let a2 is equal to a1 and b2 is equal to p1. Now p2 is equal to a2 plus b2 by 2. Now we will solve some problems. First problem, use the bisection method to find p3 for f of x is equal to root x minus cos x on flow interval 0, 1. Okay. Given function f of x is equal to root x minus cos x on flow interval 0, 1. Let a1 is equal to 0, b1 is equal to 1. F of a1 is equal to f of 0 is equal to root 0 minus cos 0. Here root 0, 0, cos 0, 1. This is equal to minus 1. This is less than 0. And f of b1 is equal to f of 1 is equal to root 1 minus cos 1 is equal to root 1, 1 minus cos 1, 0.540. This is equal to 0.460. This is greater than 0. Therefore f of b1 greater than 0. Therefore the root lies between a1 comma b1. Okay. We see the following table. The number of iteration I, ai, bi, pi is equal to ai plus bi by 2. F of pi, first put I equals to 1, a1 is equal to 0, this is less than 0, b1 is equal to 1 greater than 0, p1 is equal to a1 plus b1 by 2, 0 plus 0, a1 plus b1 by 2, 0 plus a1 plus b1 by 2 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. 0 కాదు 0.5. f of pi, f of 0.5 is equal to root 0.5 minus cos of 0.5. This value is equal to minus 0.170. This is less than 0. Therefore, next iteration, put I equals to 2. Here a2 equals to 0.5 and b2 equals to 1. p2 is equal to a2 plus b2 by 2. This is equal to 0.5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.75. f of 0.75 is equal to 0.134. This is greater than 0. Next, put I equals to 3. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ p3 అన్నాడు కాబట్టి మనం I equals to 3 వరకు చేయాలి. 3 0.5, a3 0.5, b3 0.75. p3 is equal to a3 plus b3 by 2 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.75 by 2 is equal to 0.625. Next problem. Let f of x is equal to 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by using bisection method on the following intervals to find x3. A bit closed interval minus 2 comma 1.5, b bit closed interval minus 1.25 comma 2.5. Given function f of x is equal to 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 by 2 into x plus into x minus 1. A bit. Let a1 is equal to minus 2 and b1 is equal to 1.5. Therefore, f of a1 is equal to f of minus 2 is equal to 3 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 minus 1. This is equal to minus 22.5. This is less than 0. b1 is equal to f of 1.5 is equal to 3 into 1.5 plus 1 into 1.5 minus 1 by 2 into 1.5 minus 1 is equal to 3.75. This is greater than 0. Therefore, the root lies between minus 2 and 1.5. Next, see the following table. Number of iterations I, ai, bi, xi is equal to ai plus bi by 2, f of xi. Put I equals to 1. a1 equals to minus 2, b1 is equal to 1.5, x1 is equal to x1 or p1, x1 is equal to a1 plus b1 by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 1.5 by 2 is equal to minus 0.25. f of minus 0.25 is equal to 2.10975. This is greater than 0. Next, I equals to 2, a2 equals to minus 2 and b2 equals to minus 0.25. x2 is equal to a2 plus b2 by 2 and is equal to minus 2 minus 0.25 by 2 is equal to minus 1.125. f of minus 1.125 is equal to minus 1.2949219. This is less than 0. Third iteration, I equals to 3. A3 equals to minus 1.125. B3 is equal to minus 0.25. X3 is equal to A3 plus B3 by 2 is equal to minus 1.125 minus 0.25 by 2 is equal to 0.6875. Therefore, X3 is equal to minus 0.6875. This is the required solution. Next problem. Given function f of x is equal to 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. Let a1 is equal to minus 1.25 and b1 is equal to 2.5. Next, find out f of a1 and f of b1. F of a1 is equal to f of minus 1.25 is equal to 3 into minus 1.25 plus 1 minus 1.25 minus 1 by 2 minus 1.25 minus 1 is equal to minus 2.953. This is less than 0. F of b1 is equal to f of 2.5 is equal to 3 into 2.5 plus 1 into 2.5 minus 1 by 2 into 2.5 minus 1 is equal to 31.5. This is greater than 0. Therefore, the root lies between a1 and b1. See the following table. Number of iterations I, ai, bi, xi is equal to ai plus bi by 2 f of xi. I put I equals to 1. A1 is equal to minus 1.25, B1 is equal to 2.5, X1 is equal to A1 plus B1 by 2 is equal to minus 1.25 plus 2.5 by 2 is equal to 0.625. F of 0.625 is equal to minus 0.2285. This is less than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 0.625 and 2.5. Put I equals to 2. A2 is equal to 0.625. B2 is equal to 2.5. X2 is equal to A2 plus B2 by 2 is equal to 0.6225 plus 2.5 by 2 is equal to 1.5625. F of 1.5625 is equal to 4.5945. This is greater than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 0.625 and 1.5685. 1.5625. Put I equals to 3. A3 is equal to 0.625. B3 is equal to 1.685. X3 is equal to 1.0938. Therefore, X3 is equal to 1.0938, which is the required solution. Next problem. use the bisection method to find solutions accurate to within 10 power minus 5 for the following problems. A bit x minus 2 power minus x is equal to 0 for 0 less than or is equal to x less than or is equal to 1. Solution: given function f of x is equal to x minus 2 power minus x is equal to 0. Let a equals to 0 comma b is equal to 1. For x equals to 0, f of 0 is equal to 0 minus 2 power minus 0 is equal to this equals to minus 1 less than 0. 2 power minus 0 and 2 power 0. 2 power 0 equals to 1. Minus 1 less than 0. X equals to 1. Implies f of 1 equals to minus 1. 1 minus 2 power minus 1 is equal to 0.5 greater than 0. To find capital N, we have mod xn minus l less than 2 power minus n into b minus a. 2 power minus n into b 1 minus a 0 b 2 power minus n into 1 minus 0 less than 10 power minus 5 implies 2 power minus n less than 10 power minus 5. Apply log on both sides. We get log 2 power minus n less than log 10 power minus 5 minus n log 2 less than minus 5 log 10 n less than 5 by log 2 less than 16.609. n equals to n nearly equals to 16. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 16 కాబట్టి మనకు 16 ఇటరేషన్స్ వస్తాయి. See the following table: I, AI, BI, PI is equal to AI plus BI by 2 f of xi. Here AI less than 0, BI greater than 0. Put I equals to 1. A1 equals to 0, B1 is equal to 1, P1 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2. A1 plus B1 by 2 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. F of xi, f of 1. F of 1 is equal to f of 0.5 is equal to minus 0.207. This is less than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 0.5 and 1. Put I equals to 2. 2 A2 equals to 0.5, B2 equals to 1, P2 is equal to 0.5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.75. F of 0.75 is equal to 0.155. This is greater than 0. Therefore, the root lies in the interval 0.5 and 0.75. Next, put I equals to 3. 3 A3 equals to 0.5, B3 equals to 0.75, P3 is equal to 0.625. F of 0.625 is equal to minus 0.0284. This is less than 0. I equals to 4, 0.625. A3 is equal to A4 is equal to 0.625. B4 is equal to 0.75. P4 is equal to A4 plus B4 by 2 is equal to 0.625 plus 0.75 by 2 is equal to 0.6875. F of 0.6875 is equal to 0.066. This is greater than 0. Next, I equals to 5. 5 A5 is equal to 0.625, B5 is equal to 0.6875, P5 is equal to A5 plus B5 by 2 is equal to 0.656250. Next, F of 0.656250 is equal to 0.0217 greater than 0. Next, I equals to 6. A6 equals to 0.625, B6 equals to 0.656250. Next, P6 is equal to A6 plus B6 by 2 is equal to 0.640625. Next, F of X6 or P6 is equal to minus 0.000810. This is less than 0. Next, put I equals to 7. A7 is equal to 0. A5 is equal to 0.65625. A6 equals to B6 equals to 0.65625. P6 is equal to 0.64625. F of X6 is equal to minus 0.000 310 less than 0. Next, I equals to 7. P7 is equal to 0. P8. I equals to 8. A8 is equal to 0.640625. B8 equals to 0. B8 equals to 0.648438. P8 is equal to 0.644532. F of X8 is equal to 0.00483. This is greater than 0. Put I equals to 9. A9 is equal to 0.640625. B8 is equal to B9 is equal to 0.644532. P9 is equal to 0.642579. F of X9 is equal to 0.0020 greater than 0. Put I equals to 10. A10 is equal to 0.640625. B10 is equal to 0.642579. P10 is equal to P10 or X10 is equal to 0.641602. F of X10 is equal to 0.0060. This is greater than 0. Put I equals to 11. X11 is equal to 0.640625. B11 is equal to 0.641602. P11 is equal to 11 plus B11 by 2 is equal to 0.641114. F of X11 is equal to minus 0.0014. This is less than 0. Put I equals to 12. A12 is equal to 0.641114. B12 is equal to 0.641602. P12 is equal to minus 0.601388. P12 f of 12 is equal to f of x12 is equal to 0.0024. This is greater than 0. Put I equals to 13. A13 is equal to 0.64114. B13 is equal to 0.641358. P13 is equal to 0.641256. F of X13 is equal to 0.0073. This is greater than 0. Put I equals to 14. A14 is equal to A14 is equal to 0.64114 and B14 equals to 0.641236. P14 is equal to A14 plus B14 by 2 is equal to 0.641175 is equal to minus 0.00016 less than 0. Next I equals to 15. A15 is equal to 0.641175. B14 is equal to 0.641256. P15 is equal to 0.641206 is equal to 0.00029. This is greater than 0. Next I put I equals to 16. A16 is equal to 0.641175. B16 is equal to 0.641206. P16 is equal to A16 plus B16 by 2 is equal to 0.641191. Therefore, P16 is equal to X16 is equal to 0.641191, which is the required solution. Okay, thank you.